Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to do private key generation and using that to sign our payload, then forwarding it to the blockchain. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to use this library called SECP256K1 that can be found on npm.js. Okay. So I'm going to copy the installation script and head over to my project, then perform the installation as a dependency. After doing that, we are seeing that it's been added, and I need to test the code. So I'm going to test the code using test.js. Okay, and to test this code, I'm going to copy the whole sample code, refactor the code to make it work like a function. Okay, so now we got a create private key method, and when we call that method, it should send us the private key string. It has a hex string. Okay, since we have tested the private key generation, now the next step that we need to do is we need to create a instance of sawtooth private key out of this private key hex string. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna use the sawtooth SDK library. Under signing, we got a class called SCP256K1 in the same name that we have over here. Okay, so from there, I'm gonna import a class called sec uh, secp256k1. Okay, so I'm gonna assign this to a variable called private key hex string. Okay, so this hex string we will need to pass it to the class that we have now imported from the Sawtooth SDK. Okay, so after we call that instance, we need to create a factory uh, to sign this, like use this using this instance. We are going to create a signer. Okay, with this signer we will use to sign our payload. Okay, so I'm going to do that step also now. From here we are going to import two functions. One is crypto factory, and second one is create context. Then we will pass this context into a signer. Have installed nodemon on my global, so I can run nodemon test, and this is working until this point so far. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is like create a payload.